Hello, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk through 3 easy ways to reset your iPhone 15 without the passcode, especially for iOS 17 and iOS 18. When you want to sell or give away your iPhone, it's important to factory reset the device first. Generally, you just need to go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings, and enter your screen passcode to reset your iPhone. However, if you're locked out of your iPhone 15, like if you've forgotten the iPhone passcode, or you're stuck on the iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen and can't access settings, you can reset your iPhone without passcode in other ways, which is also the effective solutions to regain access to your locked iPhone. Now, let's get into it. This video will use iPhone 13 for demonstration, but the operation process is applicable to iPhone 15 models. Alright, first up, we've got the new and shiny Forgot Passcode option, which was introduced with iOS 17. It's super handy and might be your easiest option to reset iPhone without passcode if you're on iOS 17 or later. The Forgot Passcode option will appear on the iPhone unavailable screen after you enter the wrong passcode multiple times. This option allows you to reset your iPhone 15 without a passcode using your Apple account, restoring your device to factory settings and removing the lock screen passcode. However, to trigger the Forgot Passcode option, your iPhone must have a network connection, otherwise, your iPhone unavailable screen will not display the Forgot Passcode option. Okay, when you see the Forgot Passcode option in the bottom corner of the screen, tap on it. Select Start iPhone Reset in the next screen. Then enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID. Once the verification is successful, tap Erase iPhone to start resetting your iPhone 15. The entire process does not require your lock screen password. Wait for the reset to complete. Your iPhone will be wiped clean and restart with Hello screen. You can then follow the instructions to set up your iPhone. Of course, if you have a recent data backup available, such as an iCloud or computer backup created before the reset, you can restore your lost data during the setup process. If your disabled iPhone is not connected to the network, or the Forgot Passcode option does not apply to you, to quickly and easily reset your iPhone 15 without password, AppGeek or iPhone Unlocker will not let you down. This software is dedicated to bypass annoying passcodes and unlock your iOS device. If you get a locked second-hand iPhone or your iPhone is locked for various reasons, with just a few clicks, this software can reset your iPhone to factory settings without requiring a passcode. Well, get this amazing iPhone Unlocker software right away through the download link given in the introduction of this video. Run the software on your computer, select Wipe Passcode, and click Start to continue. Use an adapted USB cable to connect the iPhone to the computer, and then put your iPhone 15 into recovery mode. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode appears, like this. Confirm your device information and click Start to download the latest firmware package for your iPhone. After the download is done, in the pop-up window, enter 0000, and then click the Unlock button. Your iPhone will automatically start the reset process. It's very simple, no conditions are required. Just download and install the software. You can reset an iPhone 15 without the passcode. Great, let's move to the third method. You can also visit iCloud's official website and use Find My to restore your iPhone 15 to its original settings. As long as your iPhone has the Find My turned on, iCloud allows you to remotely erase your device. However, this method also requires your iPhone to be connected to an active Wi-Fi or cellular network. If you have one, visit iCloud.com on a nearby computer or phone now. Log in with the same Apple account and password as the iPhone you want to reset. Select Find My and click All Devices to view all Apple devices associated with this account. Choose your iPhone 15 from the list, and then select Erase this device in the pop-up window, followed by Erase to begin factory resetting your device. So, there you have it. 3 different ways to reset your iPhone 15 without the passcode on iOS 17 or iOS 18. Whether you want to use the Forgot Passcode feature, third-party iPhone Unlocker, or iCloud, you've got options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.